Do you feel like you're always late catching reversals? What if you could spot a potential trend flip before it really turns? Let me show you how with DeMarker Divergence. This strategy uses the DeMarker Indicator, which oscillates between 0 and 1 to find regular divergences, basically, when price and momentum disagree. Here's how it works. Identify divergence. For a bullish reversal, price makes a lower low, but DM makes a higher low, i.e. Bullish Regular Divergence. That divergence must form when DM is in the oversold zone, below 0.3. Entry, buy. Wait for the DEM line to cross back above 0.3 and the price candle closes bullish. Sell setup, opposite. A bearish regular divergence where price makes a higher high, but DEM makes a lower high. When DEM is above 0.7, overbought. Then wait for DEM to cross back below 0.7 with a bearish close to enter a short. Risk tip. Combine your divergence signal with a candlestick reversal pattern, like a hammer or engulfing, before entry. This improves your probability, and don't forget to size your position so that your stop loss is a manageable % of your account. In a nutshell, the DeMarker Regular Divergence strategy helps you anticipate trend reversals by spotting momentum fading early. Want the DEM indicator and a pre-built MT4 template? Visit forexmt4indicators.com to download them for free. Start catching those reversals smarter.